Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to change your username on Snapchat app. So all you have to do is go to profile and then slide all the way down, going to settings and going down and clicking report a bug. I spotted a bug. So when you click on I spotted a bug, you're gonna go on profile and you can tell them here that you want to change your username to whatever you would like. You can type anything, politely ask them to do that, and they will change a username. Somebody from the customer service is going to contact you and you will have a chance to change your username on a Snapchat app. So yeah, that would be all for today. Subscribe for more useful tips.